So we want to explain how to sew the hijab, the khimar now. So the first thing to do is to take our fabric, make sure we know how to sew, get our sewing machine ready, then we need a table just like the one I'm working with. So I'm trying to match my fabric so that there won't be any issue. So the first thing I'm going to do here is to fold my fabric the way I folded it the first time, so as to know the middle. Just trying to know the middle, the midpoint. So I'm going to notch it. So this is what we know as notch. Then I'm going to locate the right side. Okay, this is the right side and this is the wrong side. This is the right side. So this is where I'm going to sew. Then my cap, I need to know the middle of that as well. So I'm going to fold it into half. Then the middle here, I'm going to notch it as well. Then we're going to go to the sewing machine now. Here's the one we notch. Okay, this is it here where we notch. Then we'll match the notch parts of the cap, the rough edges, not the folded edge. This is where it will be in the front. So I'm going to take this now. Then I'm going to sew down the right side. On the right side, I'm going to sew round here. Then I'm going to sew round here as well. So let me go to the sewing machine and come back, then we'll see it ourselves. So we are back. This is how I did it. I sew the sleeve from the notch part here down to where it ends here, and also down to where it ends at the other side. So when we turn it now, we have something like this. So this is the right time to use a iron, especially when you are working with your sewing machine, so that's to make it very neat. So the next thing to do now is to attach our sleeve. We have 2 points and we have 2 darts. We have 2 sleeves. So this is my sleeve here. I'm going to recognize the wrong part and the right side. So this is the right side and this is the wrong side. So we're going to sew. This is where will be outside and this is where will be inside. So it's a two-way thing. We can actually insert it this way. Then we sew round the sleeve, or you join the sleeve first. Join the sleeve down first, then you insert it inside. So now let's go to our sewing machine again and insert the sleeve. I'll be right back.